line up with that line, will ya? Ah, darn it. Just about. Should actually have my spring compressor, or ring compressor, but I don't have it. It's at work.
Oh, you're gonna do it at work.
Yeah, the majority of them. A bit harder to do without the spring compressor. Is there very much light on that, Chris?
On the camera?
Yeah, can you see the screen fine?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's not bright, but it's bright enough.
Alright. Compress. Compress, you bugger. Oh, so close. Oh, there's one. Now I gotta line up the other ring. Get some light over here, it'll be alright. I said light, not camera.
I know.
In that drawer, Chris. Want to get me that crank light? Shut it off.